Welcome back to KMU at News at 6 o'clock. Here is a live look over Jefferson City on our first alert weather cam. Today in the forecast, we're going to be talking about the polar vortex, something that's been brought up in news once again recently, especially a lot of national media. So we're going to talk about what it is and where it's at here. And then we're also going to look at a wintry mix heading into Friday night and Saturday morning, turning over into snow on Saturday afternoon. And then dangerously cold wind chills are going to move in behind that for about 2 days. So let's start off with the polar vortex. So what the polar vortex is an area of upper level low pressure. And so that's right up here over the poles. And this is here all year long. It just expands a bit more as we head into the winter. And because of that, you can see it has cold air kind of branching down now into the United States. And a lot of that is because we have a jet stream, which is our upper level winds that are very fast and controls a lot of our weather systems. And so that's bringing in some of this colder air. So it's not the actual polar vortex, but just kind of some of the cold air from it is allowed to kind of break off and move down. And that's what we're going to be seeing throughout this weekend, especially. But if we look here at Friday, you can see we're a bit warmer until we see this jet stream really start to dip down here, and that's going to bring in those cold temperatures throughout the day. Our high temperature on Saturday will be in the morning. By the time we head into the afternoon, we're going to start to see these temperatures plummeting through the day and the night until we see that low temperature on Sunday morning, and it's not going to break here until we head into Tuesday when we're finally able to warm back up to a bit more seasonal conditions. Otherwise, satellite and radar right now, we have a lot of cloud cover. You can see this kind of mess of a system over to our west over the Rocky Mountains. That's what we're watching to move in here for Friday night and Saturday morning. So if we track this hour by hour, a lot of cloud cover here overnight tonight and tomorrow morning as the system starts to get a little bit closer. And then here is 6:30 p.m. on Friday. So really in about 24 hours, you can see our freezing line is right here to our north. Now, as the system moves through and the moisture starts to get closer, that's what we're going to be watching for to determine if we're going to see just regular drizzle and rain or maybe some freezing drizzle. And that possibility is going to be north of I-70 where we could have some slick roads. We're not